Hey, it's Millie Patrick with 30A Cottages. I'm here at Take It Easy. I'm so excited to show y'all this home. It's on the west end of 30A near Gulf Place. Let's go take a look. It's absolutely gorgeous. All right, my three favorite things that I absolutely love about Take It Easy. First of all, this backyard is such a little oasis. You have a pool, it's very private, little patio lights, you've got jasmine growing, you've got a swing bed. It's super relaxing. I love that about this home. My second favorite thing about Take It Easy is its location. It's super close to the beach. It's only a short bike ride away, public bathrooms there. It's a great beach access. And then finally, my third favorite thing about Take It Easy is actually this whole area of Gulf Place. It's exploding with shopping and dining. Again, it's Millie Patrick with 30A Cottages. We would love to help you find your dream vacation here on 30A.